How to download voice message from Messenger on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about downloading the voice messages from Messenger on PC or laptop. So now let's get started. So go ahead and open facebook.com, or you can also directly go to messenger.com, log into your account and go to your chat or conversation page and open the chat or conversation that you'd like to interact with. Find the conversation with the voice message that you want to save and open it. Right click on an empty space within the chat window. This will open Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools, find and click on the Network tab, that is between Sources and Performance. If you don't see it, look for a double arrow to reveal the hidden tabs. Go back to your Messenger chat and play the voice message completely. As the message plays, the Network tab will show the activity. Look for the media file or the audio file, type like MP4 or the media icon, and simply double click on it to open the file in the new tab. In the media player, click on the three dots and select Download. The voice message will download to your computer, usually to your Downloads folder. Open your Downloads folder and double click the file to play it and verify the download. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead, download the voice message from Messenger on PC or laptop. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.